the box looks from the pictures I've seen, so it should actually be in here. Yeah, people said online basically that's a clip that shows it hasn't been tampered with, but I am just gonna check it just in case. I don't know, how do I? Alright, let me just get a scissor. And cut that. Oh, which way is it? There you go. That's it there. Right, my Steam Deck's finally come. I'm going to be setting it up. I'll give my thoughts on it later on. I'll do a video after a few days, I think, not an initial impression. There's so many of those on YouTube. But just the thing about the screen now, I wish I'd got a screen protector, but a lot of them on Amazon were saying that they interfere with the touch sensitivity, which I didn't really want. I know it's glass, I know it's strong glass. I think I'll check a few videos just to see how strong the screen is, but overall, it just, build quality is just great. It's really big. I think I'm used to the Nintendo Switch. But yeah, I'll let you know how it goes. I had to plug it in. It's nice to have the plug right at the top as well. And this case, this is fabulous. The fact that they've given it a really good sort of hard case. But yeah, I'll do a more in-depth video just on my thoughts of it. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Just been playing around with the Steam Deck and honestly it's amazing. But honestly, I feel like I'm so far behind because they've done months and months of updates. I just want to explore it further. I've installed a few games onto my SD card. I've only got 64 gigabytes of storage. I mean, I didn't want to opt for the 256 because let's be honest, it's going to run out anyway. So I've got 512 card, I've put some games on there. I ran Prey and it ran so good, but it did get really warm. But it was a great 60 frames per second. I'm really looking forward to this as well. Steam Store onboard is okay, but as I said, I just want to explore the thing further, go into the desktop mode, add Chrome as well. That'd be really cool if I can go and just use the internet normally. I'm gonna explore the use of a screen protector. I think I'm getting a bit conscious because, I mean, if it breaks or in terms of repairs, I mean, the thing comes from the US. I don't know, they don't really have any in this country. They have to send it over, so getting it repaired would be a nightmare. But yeah, I might do a more detailed video on it later on. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below, if you've ordered it, if you're thinking or will order it. And yeah, until next time.